Given the geographical expanse and diversity of India, securing healthcare and wellness for all has been a formidable challenge, hindered by a lack of accessibility, affordability, and necessary medical infrastructure. Not anymore. In 2018, the Ayushman Bharat initiative, meaning Long Live India or Healthy India, was launched to ensure inclusive access to primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare across all sections of society. The initiative comprises of 4 strategic pillars: Ayushman Arogya Mandir, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (ABPMJ), Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission (ABDM), and Prime Minister Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission (PM Abhim). The first pillar is the Ayushman Arogya Mandir, previously known as Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center, serving underprivileged communities by offering an enhanced package of primary healthcare services, including free screenings, free diagnostics and medicines for non-communicable diseases such as cancer and diabetes, maternal and child healthcare, and mental health services. Impressively, operational centers have expanded from 17,149 in 2018 to 19 to 173,073 in 2023 to 24, thus ensuring that people get assured and timely healthcare even in the remotest parts of India, which allows first point of contact within 3 to 5 kilometers of residence. Specialist consultations from remote locations have reduced out-of-pocket expenditure tremendously. The second pillar is the ABPMJ initiative. This healthcare assurance scheme provides up to $6,000 per family for secondary and tertiary hospital care at empaneled hospitals in India, leaving no one behind. Today, this scheme has successfully facilitated treatments with 69.6 million hospital admissions recorded across 29,383 empaneled hospitals, with more than 344 million Ayushman cards issued. To support the goal of inclusive and affordable access to healthcare, ABDM or Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, that is the third pillar of the Ayushman Bharat initiative, aims to digitize the entire Indian healthcare ecosystem. A unique voluntary health identification called Ayushman Bharat Health Account or ABHA ID is linked to the patient's database, which enables seamless exchange of health records. Currently, 619 plus million ABHA IDs have been generated and more than 313 million health records have been linked. The fourth pillar, PM Abhim or Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, was launched in 2021 with a focus on improving the healthcare infrastructure of India. With a budget of over $8 billion, it aims to strengthen primary, secondary and tertiary health services, enhance pandemic research and preparedness by strengthening health infrastructure and diagnostic facilities across rural and urban districts. To further its goal of quality, accessible and affordable healthcare for all, Jan Aushadhi Kendra, which is India's pharmacy for affordable quality generic medicines, was launched with the aim to bring down the health expenses of the people. This has resulted in a saving of $3.6 billion for the masses, and nearly 1.2 million people visit Jan Aushadhi Kendras every day. Today, India's healthcare trajectory is only going upwards, heading towards universal health coverage. This clear commitment is guiding us towards achieving our sustainable development goals related to health by 2030, setting a global example for effective healthcare reform and demonstrating the strength of our national resolve.